In this video, I will show you how to go from this to this, from this to this, and from this to this. Hi guys, I bought a brake caliper paint kit from Foliatec to refurbish my rusty brake calipers. The kit includes the paint and hardener, a brush, brake cleaner, spatula, wire brush, and some gloves. You can choose from a variety of colors. Today we'll be painting mine Stratus Silver. Small tip, don't use the included wire brush, it's crap. Get a drill attachment and wear eye protection. Jack up the car, I'll be working on both of the front calipers first. Remove the lock nuts. Then carefully remove the wheels. Like this. And not like this. Remove the spring clip and start cleaning the brake caliper with the wire brush. A drill attachment makes this far easier and quicker. Do a good job of cleaning all of the rust and brake dust. Also focus on the intricate areas. I found out that a piece of sandpaper was best for this. If you are happy with the results, spray down the caliper with brake cleaner. The brake calipers are now prepped for paint. Attention, poor camera placement coming up. Take the hardener and stir it off camera. Pour it into a measuring cup off camera. Pour it into the mixing bowl on camera. Open the paint can and stir it partially on camera, and then pour it in a mixing cup partially off camera. Put it in a mixing bowl on camera. Mix thoroughly on camera and leave for 10 minutes in the middle of the frame. Now you're ready to start painting. The paint is easy to apply and is self-leveling. Use light brush strokes to apply the first layer of paint. If you use too much paint, the paint will run, and if you use too little paint, it will not level out. The paint will not cover immediately and takes at least 2 coats to get great results. Cover the complete brake calipers in paint, looking from different angles and focusing on the intricate parts of the caliper, as they can be easily missed. Let the first coat dry for 15 minutes, then apply a second coat. Again, focusing on areas that you may have missed. Next, give the complete caliper one final coat of paint. Let it dry for 24 hours without driving the car. Whilst the calipers were drying, I gave the spring clips a once over with the wire brush, before painting them in a satin black color to give some great contrast to the silver brake calipers. After the paint has dried for at least 24 hours, reinstall the spring clips and lightly brush and pat the calipers and say nice words to them. And that's it. Look at these great results. The calipers came out looking great. Of course, the rear calipers got the exact same treatment. Once the paint is cured, the brush strokes are level and the finish is thick and shiny. Reinstall the wheels and have fun with your freshly painted calipers. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and I will see you in the next one.